There is one left. This will be mine. Thank you.
Vlog number how many? 105. Oh. Don't give me the, what was it? Flip the board.
We haven't looked in this cupboard yet. Or this one over here. So we're about to do that. I'm kind of, I'm worried about what we might find up there. What are you seeing?
Nothing.
Creepy.
Oh, I don't get a good picture because of that. It's like cables. Choose.
Did I go with your feet?
No, I don't think so. Alright, cheers.
All my hair is a mess. So today, I'm gonna ignore him. So today we start the painting. We're gonna start with the bedroom because I think that's the room that's gonna be most important to have done as quickly as possible. Fully decked out in my sexy painting gear. So we've decided we're gonna take these rails down because we actually have quite a lot of wardrobe space. And I think it's also gonna be easier to paint underneath them than attempt to paint around them, so that's coming down. The walls is kind of, it looks purple to me. It's like a greyish purple, so that's gonna be white when we're done, hopefully. We've got some sanding to do, some holes to fill. Time, surrounded by plants and sitting on a box of books.
Willie.
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 That's a Scottish thing. Ooh, what's in here? Hello.
Right, so sanding.
Sanding.
Can we do some sanding?
Maybe I need a new one. now, which took a lot longer than we thought it would because, as you can see, it's dark outside now. And, oh, I've just stepped in paint. Who made that spill in the first place?
Is that not you?
So I think we're pretty happy with how it's going so far. Needs a second coat, which we're gonna try and get done sometime next week. 10 out of 10 for us.
I mean, you did that, I did that. See? You're rubbish. You're rubbish.
Okay then. You have paint your hair.
Yeah, and whose fault is that?
Yeah. Bye. Towards the end of the week now. It's Thursday, and it's just occurred to me that moving day is Saturday, which is in 2 days time. I'm getting a bit freaked out because I have yet to pack anything properly. I've done a few of the big things. I've done my beauty products, my makeup and stuff like that, and I've also just finished doing my wardrobe, which was a big thing in itself, so there's going to be a whole extra video on those two things. At least I guess I have started packing, so the rest of the stuff is kind of just going room by room, and I'm sitting here trying to make a list of things I need to do. I do have all my packing stuff. I've got boxes, good start, and I've got all sorts of like bags and wrapping things, so I just kind of need to crack on and get started. I think it's one of those overwhelming, very daunting things that you just keep putting off and putting off, but I probably only have tonight and then tomorrow morning to do everything because I'm going to be back up in London on Friday. Someone's coming to clean our carpets, and then I'm meeting Joe from work and we're bringing a van back down here so I can pack everything up. It's definitely not the easiest thing when you're moving far away. I've only ever really moved down the road before or to the next town across, so moving somewhere completely different, it's turning out to be quite challenging just because there's so many things you need to do going back and forward, and yeah, it's about a 2.5 hour journey for me to get to the new place from here. I was actually there yesterday as well, so me and Sam went up and we finished painting the rest of the bedroom, which is the one room that is now finished and ready to move into, which is good because the bedroom is important. Sleeping is a necessity, so I am glad that is all finished and done, although we may not have a bed. Well, hopefully we will, but we'll see how that goes. While I was in London yesterday, I also popped into Another Stories and picked up a few bits for a video that I filmed today. I'm trying really hard to kind of maintain a proper filming schedule and getting videos up so that you guys have something to watch while this is all going on, and I'm not just abandoning my channel and leaving it empty. So that's another thing to think about, but you guys probably, it's been weeks now, should have already seen that video go up. Okay, I think I'm gonna crack on with what I need to do. I'm gonna go and unpack all the boxes. I'm thinking I'm gonna start with the bedroom. Seeing as I've already packed up my clothes, I think it's a good place to start there. And then I'm gonna work my way down the house and maybe end up in the kitchen last. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about plates and things like that, but it's only 2 more nights, so I'm sure I can manage without bowls and knives and forks. Maybe I'll keep 1 fork out, just in case. I've just ordered some food. I was flagging a little bit, and needed sustenance and realised that I actually have no food in my house, and can't even remember the last time I ate a vegetable. So yeah, I got some Thai food, and I am so looking forward to tucking in the sticky rice. Yes, please. And I also have a dinner companion. Hi.
Hiya.
Joe's eating dinner in London. I'm eating dinner at home, and here we are together. What romance.